Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to open your Django server on your mobile device. This can be useful for testing your project on different devices. First, open your command prompt and type ipconfig to find your IP address. Look for the IPv4 address and copy it. Next, go to the settings of your Django project and find the allowed hosts variable. Add your IP address inside the quotes as shown. Now, open your terminal and run your Django server using python manage.py run server, followed by your IP address and port number. Finally, open a web browser, type in your IP address followed by the port number 192.168.1.5050 and press enter. Your Django project should now be accessible on your mobile device. And that's it. You've successfully opened your Django server on your mobile device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time!